Okay, I'm going to be making nacho crunch wraps. I'm going to put some Cheez-Its in the middle. Got my tomatoes. I'll have to cook my torts and my season pack. Season. I got this from the Dollar Tree. It's nacho cheese. I'm cooking my meat right now. Alright, and I'm going to show you the process as I go, okay? I'm going to cut my tomatoes up. Okay, I've got my hamburger meat done. I just need to drain that grease. Got my tomatoes chopped up. Once I drain the grease, I'm going to add in this taco season. You can use any kind. I just happen to get this at Aldi's. If you want to know where I got this cheese at, I got it at the Dollar Tree. And then I'm going to put Cheez-Its for the crunch. I've got to cook my torts yet, so we'll do this in steps and show you as I go. Alright, so I got my meat drained, and so I got my taco season in there. Mix that up really good. Put my taco season in there, put a little dab of water. Got my heat up. So, mix that all in. It's got to cook. Just make sure I get all the seasoning around. I use my iron skillet. I like iron skillet. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay, now I'm going to cook my torts. You can use torts that's already done, but I'm going to cook these. Get them done. Got my hamburger meat all done. Make sure everybody knows how to I put mine up on the heat like that, and then let them cook. I'm going to get these fried and get these ready, then I'll show you how I put one together, okay? And that's kind of how you want it to look. Starting to cook. Alright. That's as much as I'm going to cook it right now. Get the rest of them cooked. And then when I fill them, I'll be putting them back in the skillet. Put that over here. Alright, I'll be back. Alright, I'm fixing to build my crunch wrap. I'm going to put some nacho cheese. Put runnier. Hold on one second. Okay. I'm going to put the cheese down. Put some tomato. Okay. And get some hamburger meat. Put that on there. Okay. Then I'm just going to flip it like this. I can't really fold it like the Taco Bell's because it's got, these aren't big enough, but that's what I put in the middle. Okay. I'll pick it up and put it in the pan. I'm going to cook it. Turn this back up. Make sure I'm gonna get both sides really done. I saw a video and somebody done the Cheez-It, said it gave them a good crunch. stuff's falling out. Put that back in there. Well, that's the gist of it. And I'll show you when I get them on the plate, okay? That's how I'm going to do them. Okay. I messed up the first two. I put too much filling in them. So, these are working out better. Alright. That's the Crunch Wrap. At least that's my version of the Crunch Wrap. Hope y'all enjoy. Have a great day. Alright. This is how mine looked when they got done.
Look, the sour cream on top.
Mama put sour cream on hers.
Can't pick it up.
Can't pick it up and put sour cream on it. This is how mine looks.
Yeah, sour cream made it hard to pick up.
Alright, I'm going to take a bite of it and we'll see how it goes.
Well, I got me a fork.
If y'all try this, let me know. Tag me in it, okay? Alright, have a great day.